Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe payments in React Native mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a new React Native project using your preferred CLI or development environment. Navigate to your project directory. Install the Stripe package by running the command npm install at stripe React Native. Install required dependencies by running npm install Axios. Import the required modules in your main application file. Initialize the Stripe SDK by adding your publishable key. You can find your publishable key in your Stripe dashboard. Create a new screen or component for handling payments. This could be a dedicated payment screen in your app. Add a button that users can click to initiate the payment process. Handle the button press event to call a function that manages the payment flow. In the payment function, create a payment intent on your server. Use Axios to make a post request to your backend endpoint. Pass necessary information such as the amount, currency, and payment method. Ensure your backend is set up to handle this request securely. After receiving the payment intent confirmation, proceed to confirm the payment on the client side. Call the correct method from the Stripe package to handle payment confirmation. Provide the payment method details and any additional parameters required. Handle the successful payment result accordingly. This typically involves updating your app state and notifying the user. If there are errors, ensure to catch them and provide meaningful feedback. Test the payment flow thoroughly across different scenarios. Consider using Stripe's test card numbers for the testing process. Once everything is confirmed to be working, deploy your backend securely. Ensure your application follows best practices for handling sensitive financial information. Finally, review the integration documentation for any additional features you'd like to implement. This guide provides a foundation for setting up Stripe payments in your React Native app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.